Hi there everyone. So we already made the button and then we checked the game over logic, but this was entirely supposed to be where on inside of our restart button, right? So I'll just copy this mouse area and paste it inside this our restart button rectangle. You already know what this mouse area does, right? So it's gonna check our cursor position, and then we have like said hover interval is true, so it's going to check our position. And then if you want to give a hover effect, you can do it by using on entered. This is a signal which is going to be emitted whenever you enter this mouse area, and this will turn to blue. So I don't want something blue. We're going to change the color in the graphics part, so I'm also going to give on exited. And on exited, what I want is I want our color to be like, I want the hover effect to be gone, right? So whenever I enter the button, it should be blue. Whenever I go out, it should be back to gray. So close button, so in our case it's a restart button. Start button dot color should be gray, and then restart button dot color is blue. Seems good. On clicked, this okay, but I want to do what? qt dot exit. This is a function which will exit our application. So let's put our on exited inside this mouse area for our close button, because we have on entered, on exited. Now we can see the hover effect between the blue and gray. And then if you close the qt.exit button, it's gonna close with the help of this function. If you hit F1, this function is here, exit. And for another our restart button, we have this function called, this implementation is inside controller CPP that we implemented in our previous tutorial. So that's all for this one. Let's go and check our button. So I'm gonna quickly wait for our, let's play a game for a bit. Anyways, I'll not play, because if I play then there will be no game over. So let's wait. And in the coming tutorial we're gonna make graphics. I have already created the graphics for the game, to be honest. Is inside my Illustrator. See, all these components are here for the game. I've been working on this today, on what I want inside the game, how I want it to look, how I want to give the look and feel of the game. So I'm gonna have the game over now. Okay, game over. Hover effect. Oh, we still don't have the hover effect in the close one, so we're gonna go and debug this. We have the perfect hover effect in the restart. So whenever I click the restart, or let's do close, I click close but nothing is happening. If I go hit restart, it restarted. So let's go to our, this is okay. This is working fine. In the hover effect for our mouse areas was not working because because we were referencing the wrong button inside the mouse area. So we can say close button color should be gray when we exit out of the close button. That was the problem. So it's fixed as well, but we were not able to exit for some reason. So I'm quickly change. Why is this not working? qt.exit, qt.exit, have the close. Oh, we don't have the close yet. It's the exit. Okay. I'll quickly try to touch the enemy rectangle. Let's wait. How about quit? Quit works too. Let's do quit. We should work. Do we have linear now? We can do quit as well. It's the same thing, almost like the same thing. I hope this will work. Close. Oh, see, it closed the application. It's actually quit. But yeah, so this is how I debug right in front of you guys, because I don't practice it before making the YouTube tutorial. I just want to code live and then show everything to you, keep it transparent, so, and then see how I debug and everything. So I really hope this helps. So from the next episodes, we're gonna move towards graphics. We're gonna make our game look nicer, more like a game. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you will enjoy all the tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you like and what you don't like, and let me know if you are not happy with my teaching style on live coding, or you want clean videos, the edited videos. Then I'm willing to make the edited videos if you like, if it is taking too much of your time going over my errors. But I was only thinking about you guys will learn from this. But anyways, just let me know, because that is just my opinion. I want to hear you guys. I want to hear how you guys want to learn, so that will help me, and then I'll make sure in the coming tutorials to keep that attitude. So I hope you will enjoy. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.